This is Keith 111 Morales. What's the address of your emergency?
You fell in the red now. The payment man.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
Now listen to the dumbass response you gave me. I was going to take it out of you. Listen to the response you gave me.
Hello?
Listen to the response you gave me. Listen.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
No, don't take me that way.
Hello? 911, what's the address of your emergency?
You had it, right? All I'm saying is take it.
Hello, 911.
Please don't take my son. Why don't you take it? All these kids been paid at me.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
I've been trying to pay my bills and stuff. I'm going to pay him. Ashton, you barely know something that one brother did to help me. Where we need to go. Okay, let me go get it. Please.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
At approximately 7:50 hours, officers were dispatched to the location. Here is that radio traffic.
261 and 244 start toward a 911 hang-up call. Audubon Park Apartments, 5860 Northwest, apartment 202. Started out as an open line. The call taker could hear a female screaming and crying and saying, "Please don't hit me." There was a male in the background that was yelling at her. Prior from the last disturbance shows suspect as an Ashton Pinke. He's a black male born in 93. He has Region 99 side of Garland and DPD and shows to be a gang member. 222, we've tried calling back a few times. There's no answer. We've left him a message. 214 and 244, the last prior call to location does show Ashton Pinke to be a mental patient. He's bipolar, schizophrenic, and has depression.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Pretty good.
We got a call of a disturbance.
No disturbance here.
Okay. Can I talk to you, ma'am?
There's no disturbance here.
Yeah, there is a disturbance here. You can open the door. We're going to come in. He's running. Okay. Which way did he go?
He ran up the back of the stairs.
244. Subject just went upstairs, climbed on the balcony.
He just hit me.
Okay. Hang on just a second. What's he got in his hand? Does he have a weapon? I'm sorry?
A knife.
Okay, go ahead and come over here, ma'am. Ma'am, don't go back in your apartment. Okay. Come on down here and talk to me.
Check for 5860, apartment 202.
244, he's supposed to be armed with a knife. He went up on that balcony. He's supposed to have a knife.
Fuck, nigga. Shoot. Shoot. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't know.
Don't do it.
She said he had a knife. Put your hands up. 244 shots fired.